guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing a flaming hot barbecue, and it is a collab. A while back I had asked several of my friends to join me in sharing one of their favorite barbecue recipes or grilling recipes. So today I will be sharing my Greek shish kebabs or Mediterranean shish kebabs with a poutine and a Greek salad. So make sure you check out everybody that's joining in. I will have the full list down below, and I will also have a playlist that I will link down below, so you can all check out the ladies that are joining me in for all your barbecuing and grilling inspiration. Here is the ingredients for the skewers. You need pork tenderloin. I am using zucchini, 2 red peppers, and a red onion. You can also add mushrooms if you wish, or any other vegetable that you would like to put on a skewer. And I will be marinating my meat in the extra virgin olive oil Greek feta dressing. This is by Kraft. And so now I'm going to cut up my meat and veggies and get my meat to marinate. And you want to marinate it for a couple hours before you actually cook it, or overnight. To add some sea salt, and some black pepper. Cracked freshly ground black pepper is the best, but I ran out, so I'm just using regular black pepper. And then you're gonna add the whole thing of the dressing. You can also make your own if you want to. So here it is. Now the dish that I'm using for marinating is a one from Tupperware, and it comes with a lid like this. And then you can just put it in your fridge, and every couple hours flip it, so that way all the sides get marinated. But what I like to do is I'm going to close it now, and then I'm going to give it a good shake. Okay, it's done, and into the fridge it goes. Now I'm going to cut up my veggies. So here are the vegetables, and I'm going to just add salt and pepper to them and set them aside. For the poutine, I do not have any drippings, so I will be kind of creating my own. I have some broth, and then I have the traditional gravy, rich brown gravy. It is what is this? It's add to the natural juice of roast meat to thicken it, and it has some flavor. So I will be adding a little bit of that and a little bit of red wine. And then obviously you need some poutine cheese curds. If you don't know what this is a firm unripened cheese. And then instead of making French fries with it, I will be roasting some little potatoes, company baby potatoes. These are multicolored ones, and I will be cutting them in half, putting them in tin foil, seasoning them, and then roasting them on the barbecue. And then I'm gonna make the gravy for them, obviously separately. I have seasoned the baby potatoes with garlic, salt, pepper, paprika, and parsley, and also drizzled some olive oil, and I did cut them in half just so they would cook more evenly. So I have these are President Choice skewers. So there they are. So these are ready for the grill as well. And here they are cooking. And while my husband's watching the meat cook, I'm gonna make some gravy for the potatoes. So for the gravy, I have added my broth, and now I'm going to add some wine and a little bit of this rich brown gravy mix. For my salad, I have picked out some fresh lettuce from my garden and washed it already. And I also have some romaine lettuce. I'm gonna make like a mixed salad. Now I'm going to add some onion, tomatoes, black olives, and cucumber. I'm making a Greek type of salad to go with my Mediterranean shish kebabs, or Greek shish kebab. So typically I buy whole olives for this salad, but I was making pizza and needed some sliced olives. So we just went and bought sliced olives. Now I'm going to wash some of my tomatoes, add all that in, and I'm going to slice my cucumber. I'm hoping to have cucumbers for my salad, for my garden soon. I planted some of those. Hopefully the bunnies won't eat them. So I'm going to let this sit until we're ready to eat, and then I'm going to add some of this Renee's Greek feta dressing, which is a creamy dressing, and then I'm going to add some of feta cheese on top. But I usually do that just before we eat. So I'm going to add some dressing to the salad now. You can also use a vinaigrette-based salad dressing that's Greek if you'd like, or make your own. We really love this one. And we don't eat this salad that often. Oh my goodness. So now I'm just going to take my meat off the grill and the potatoes, and here it all is. I am doing it separately. The meat, everybody will be able to kind of add the gravy and the cheese to their potatoes as much as they want. My daughter doesn't like the cheese. My son likes a lot of cheese, so it's just personal choice. So I just leave it like this. It's best that you do it straight away, so that way the gravy can melt the cheese. So I'd like to thank everybody that joined me in this collaboration, and make sure you check out the playlist. And I also want to let you guys know that this is the last video in Domestic Diva DIY as a cooking video. I have a new channel called Domestic Diva Cooking, and where you are going to be able to watch only cooking videos, what's for dinners, recipes, and things like that. I will no longer be posting these videos under Domestic Diva DIY. I will have the channel linked in the description box, and I would love it if you hopped over and subscribed. I will be starting with the videos there in July. So until next time, hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and if you're coming over from one of the other channels, welcome. Consider subscribing to Domestic Diva Cooking. If you like DIYs as well, subscribe there as well. I would love that. And until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.